May I introduce Stalpen treejack, made in Sweden, made from iron, weighs 14.5 kilos. You can make it in two parts from here. The transportation height is 110 centimeters. The push length is 60 centimeters. The push power 2600 kilos. Of course, it depends how powerfully you can rotate from the crank. It makes your rotate power 7 times. And you can return it just rotating backwards. And let's see how does this works. I usually make a small hole in stem so that Stalpen won't slip away. Then you just rotate.